Hey there, everybody. I just wanted to welcome you all to Caidson Trading. This is my new channel on YouTube. For anyone who doesn't know me, I've been fairly successful in the stock market, doing things in a way that a lot of people might think is very unusual or different. So I created the channel based around this, and let's be straight from the beginning, I am not a financial advisor. None of this channel is financial advice. Think of this more as sort of a living diary of my trades and how I go about doing what I do. So basically the point of the channel is one, for myself, so that I can kind of keep track of how I'm doing. Believe it or not, this is absolutely ridiculous, but there was a time, for quite a while, where I literally forgot how to trade well. I got so off course. I somehow started day trading, which I was terrible at. Buying and selling within the same day. It just doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for most people. Some people are great at it, but it's very difficult. What I generally do is I trade triple leverage ETFs. If you don't know what that is, stick around the channel. I'm sure I'll be discussing it here and there, and you'll come to know what that's all about. But I also, I don't hold things for too long, but I don't sell things right away either. It's sort of in between. It's a little bit like swing trading. Might even be more short-term than that. Like I said, what I do is a bit different than what others might do. So what I plan to do on this channel is have videos pretty much every single trading day showing my thoughts of my watch list, going down every single ETF that I would potentially trade, and explain if I would buy it or not and why. I intend to be as transparent as possible as well, like talking about, well, I said I would buy this yesterday, and here's what it did today. If it was down, if it was up, whatever. Like, and keep track of all that stuff. I think it'd be really cool to, show my progress as time goes on. And I know there's a lot of, traders or whatever, investors out there that have their own channels and all that stuff. And a lot of times they don't really show their track record. You have no idea, like, how are they doing? So I want to make it as visible as possible so everyone knows what's going on. If I fail, I fail. That's the reality of it. Hopefully I won't, and hopefully things will go really well and this channel will take off, and that would be great, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, so that's basically the whole point of the channel. I created this acronym called CATS, which is basically just Chart Analysis Trading Strategy. And that's nothing more than, I basically just care about the chart technicals. I don't need to know specifically what a stock or ETF is even doing, what company it is. I do trade stocks here and there, but I'm mostly focused on ETFs. And again, it's all about the technical behavior of the charts. So I use TradingView. I've created a couple of indicators. I was a software engineer for quite a while, so I know how to write transcript code to create indicators, and I've created a whole bunch of different ones. And I settled on one or two that I use pretty much exclusively to help me guide my trading decisions. So we'll get into all that stuff on my channel, man. I just, wanted to welcome everyone here, and hopefully have a good time. So that's all. All right, see you guys.